Hello, today I'm gonna share with you how to replace the LCD of the iPhone XR, how easy it is and how simple it is. Will take you about 15 minutes and we'll show you step by step, so just follow me. Here, what you're gonna need. You can buy one of these tool package on eBay or Amazon. iPhone 7 or 8 toolkit. They're about $10, maybe $12. You also need one of these opening tool. They're about $4, maybe $3. And one of the heat gun. You can get this at Home Depot. They're $19.95, but you can also use your hair dryer to use it. So, first steps, I'm gonna open this, throw out. I'm gonna use this tool to open the LCD out. So what you need to do, you need to place it nice and neat, so in that way when you put it back together you don't mix it up. Okay, then you take the heat gun, just go around the edge. Sometimes you can feel it, you just feel it, just about to get hot. If it's too hot to touch, then you got overheat. Okay, it's just so this LCD is fairly easy to take it off because I believe it's been repaired. Okay, so what you do, let me put this two screw right here. What you do is take one of these triangle tool, open right here. Oh, they'll come up. They're right here. So when you put you need to put together with all this screw, and so when you put it back, you put exactly the same. Oh, I watch other people videos. They use one of the tweezer. I'm not recommended because they're professional. They know what they're doing. If you beginner, you should never use. Even until this day, I never use one of these two because it's easy to damage customer phone. So I'm always use one of the plastic tool underneath and take it up. So this tool is a little bit cheapy, but it works. The reason I use this tool so you know what to buy. I have a different set of tool that I use for my customer. But for if you just fix one LCD, that's all you need. Or you fix it for your family or your friend, that's all you need. Okay. You see, I place everything like that. Open the Lego. Now LCD is out. So simple. Now I'm going to take the ear speaker off This is a very tiny little screw right here. So when I put like that, when I put them back together, all these go together. Okay, turn this around. I heat this up a little, just a little bit, so all the adhesive is break off. That's it. This is the new LCD. Okay, what you do, you put this back together. They already have the guard in, so you just take this off. You don't need this. Top one go to the top, the bottom one go to the bottom, and that way you don't mix it up. That's a tiny one. Okay, that's it. Okay, first you have to put this guy in, so you need to feel it first before you snap it. You feel it and then snap it. Push this guy underneath. This guy go right here. This guy go right here. This guy go right here. So when you put the screw in order, it's pretty easy to put them back together. That's it. Flip it over. This one, click in. Just click in. Turn this on first, see if they come on. Hopefully they have some battery left. There you go. Just remember, you always need to turn your phone off before you take any LCD out. That's it. Snap together. There you go. I'm gonna delete it. Check it. Okay, that's it. Now you put together put it in an angle like that. Put your hand in firm and hold it, and pop this guy in and squeeze it in. Same thing on this side. Squeeze it in. You can hear it pop. You can hear it pop. Look straight. Straight. Push it. Make sure it's pop in. That's it. Well, this guy is about $200 to $250 to replace. We'll do the video for that later on. Okay, that's a complete. Now we put this guy back. Push it in. Push it in. This is not my tool, so I'm a little. Always use a little pressure to it. Pressure to it. Ta-da! That's it. Okay. So, thank you for watching.